Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today, are you ready to discuss the topic of quadratic equations? For the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifia Zulfa Ananda with student ID number is 111-8017-00000043. In this video, we will learn and also solving some important questions about quadratic equation. Before we go to the topic, click the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, family, and your social media. Let's go! As openers, we will solve some problem about quadratic equation if roots are given. This problem is all around us. We had a question like this. Bobby wants to make a box without a lid using a piece of cardboard. The length of the base he made has the roots x equals -5 and x equals 7. Create a quadratic equation from these roots. Then find the width of the base if we know the height and the volume of the box is 1 cm and 35 cm cubic. First at all, we create a quadratic equation from these roots. So we must sum of the roots. Then we got -5 plus 7 equals 2. And product of the roots is -5 times 7 equals -35. If formation of quadratic equation x squared minus sum of the root x plus product of the roots equals 0, then we distribute sum of the roots and product of the roots. We got x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. So, quadratic equation from these roots is x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. And second, we should find the width of the base. If previously known that the quadratic equation of these roots is x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0, we move minus 35 to the right side. So we got x squared minus 2x equals 35. We factorize x squared minus 2x to be x in parentheses x minus 2. Then we got x in parentheses x minus 2 equals 35. Let's say x minus 2 is y. Then we got x times y equals 35. If 35 is the volume of the box, x is the length of the base, and y equals x minus 2 is the width of the base, and 1 is the height of the box. So we got x times y times 1 equals 35. Then we substitute the roots with the value x equals 7 for y equals x minus 2. Why we take the root with the value x equals 7? Because the length of the base cannot be negative. So we take the root with the value x equals 7 instead of x equals -5. Therefore, y equals 7 minus 2 equals 5 is obtained. So the width of the base is 5 cm. Now we start to the concept. First topic is standard form. The standard form of a quadratic equation look like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In here, a, b, and c are real and rational numbers, and a is not equal 0. And x is the variable or unknown, and we don't know it yet. Here are some examples. In this picture, we get 3 issues. First, we had 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. And the second, we had x squared minus 3x equals 0. And last, we had 5x minus 3 equals 0. let's identify these problems. In the first problem, we get the facts that A, B, and C are identified, with A equals 2, B equals 5, and C equals 3. In the second problem, it's a little more tricky. Where is A? Well, A equals 1, as we don't usually write 1x squared. And B equals minus 3. And where is C? Well, C equals 0, so it's not shown. And last problem, this one is not a quadratic equation. It is missing x squared. In other words, A equals 0, which means it can be quadratic. Now, let's go into the topic details. In here, we will learn the formation of the quadratic equation whose roots are given. To form a quadratic equation, let alpha and beta be the two roots. Let us assume that the required equation be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and a is not equal 0. According to the problem, root of this equation are alpha and beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a, and alpha beta equals c by a. And now we get some formulas. First, x squared plus b by ax plus c by a equals 0 since a is not equals 0. And then x squared minus in parentheses alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals 0, since alpha plus beta equals minus b by a and alpha beta equals c by a. In here, alpha plus beta is sum of the roots, and alpha beta is product of the roots. So, x squared minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots equals 0. We example s as sum of the roots and b as product of the roots. So we got x squared minus sx plus b equals 0, where s is sum of the roots and b is product of the roots. So this formula is used for the formation of quadratic equation when its roots are given. So that's an explanation of quadratic equation with known roots. If you think this video is useful, share it with your friends and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Like and comment. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.